afternoon. Well, we're in Michigan now. We've just left Green Bay at 8 in the morning, and we're looking at some ominous clouds starting to overcome. This is, I think, a part of Green Bay. It's called Indian Bay or something like that, but this is Michigan. So we'll hit the road again and head to camp.
Here's Ray walking the dogs. We're on the stop for lunch between Green Bay and St. Ignace at Mackinac Island.
Okay, let's hit the road, Mom.
Okay, Daddy-O.
Okay. Cut. Cut. We made a little pit stop here, the boys and Daddy and Mommy. This is the north shore of Lake Michigan. We're in the state of Michigan. It's getting a little windy and the waves are starting to kick up. Getting a little cold, a little rainy. Hope it won't be rainy all week while we're here. Real pretty. Hi, boys. Hi, Mommy.
All clear.
Hi, the Peppermint. Hi, Pepper. Yes, hi, Salty Dog.
Did you get a picture?
Yeah. Okay, well, let's get back
the camera when it's raining.
On the road.
What you doing, Ray? Ray, what are you doing?
I threw 3 pieces, and I know he got one, and then I threw him another one, and he got it, but I was looking for the 3rd piece.
Oh, you were trying to find the 3rd piece of food?
I was trying.
For the seagull? Are you trying to be the seagull?
Don't video through the screen. Hi.
I'm trying to get the seagull. Look, he's coming behind you.
Okay, give me this. Give me a cracker. Salty.
I'm trying not to move this around too much. Salty, you want a cracker? You want a cracker too. Not just for the seagull. Here, break it up. There's a car coming. Seagull's gotta move. It's gonna get run over. Ray loves his birds. Wow, look at that. He's gonna be the bird man of Michigan. Oh my gosh, look at that. You're gonna get attacked.
I got 4 seagulls now.
He's talking to him now.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, bye-bye.
We got the seagulls. Hi, Beverly.
Hi, Ray. Look at the fire Ray made. Oh, get your hands out of there. Bye.
Hey, bye.